That was the number 2 track, Memories. Sinabi naman na sa lyrics.
Memories.
Just another toy friend.
It's a collaboration between the first Japanese K-pop artist.
Ken, anong kanta yun? That was?
That was Ever Black.
Ever Black.
No telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But I'm talking to you. I'm kinda like a feel. This 20 things I feel. You want to lose the thrill. You fake it 'cause it's real. But everybody's ill. You want to lose the thrill.
And that is called Emoji. That's a collaboration song with super pop star Jolin.
Pwede bang huwag mo na akong bitawan? Di ba kung mahalaga, di mo hahayaang mawala ng basta. Alam kong pagod ka na.
Grabe naman yun! Nananakit kayo, guys! That was?
Wakas.
Wakas. Pang ilang track? Last? Kasi wakas.
Yes.